Titanfall arc grenade is mostly done at this point. It has been painted. I'm not the best at painting by any stretch of the imagination, but I'm pretty satisfied with it. And it still works. So let's see if I can show you. And we have the arming button on this side. Once more. So this is 18 NeoPixel-esque discrete LEDs plugged into each hole around the perimeter. This handle is screwed down onto the body of the grenade. You can pull that off, and there's a 9-volt battery tucked away on the inside of the thing. And you got a button here that does the arming animation. And on the other side, just got a little slide here for the on-off. So that's pretty much the whole thing. Thanks.